I accidentally found a new YouTube channel, and it's doing really well. The crazy part is, they just started it a month ago and already have thousands of subscribers with only few videos. That's a big sign the channel could go viral this year. Now you might be wondering, why are these videos so addictive? Why do people watch them until the very end? It's because they're built with suspense. For example, in one video, there's a huge rock blocking a car's path. Viewers keep watching, thinking, will the car crash? Will it make it? That tension keeps people hooked till the last second. And when people watch the whole video, the YouTube and Instagram algorithms boost it to millions more. Now here's the best part. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create these same viral AI videos for free. Yes, completely free. And by the end of this video, I'll also show you how to make unlimited videos like this and go viral yourself. So don't skip, watch this video till the end. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button because I'm going to guide you through everything step by step. But first, let me show you a sample video I made for this niche so you can understand what it's all about. Let's start the video. First, go to ChatGPT and paste these prompts here. I've added the link to all these prompts in my Discord server. The link is in the description below. In just a few seconds, ChatGPT will give you 10 detailed prompts. Once you have those 10 prompts, we'll use them to create amazing images for your AI car crash videos. Now let's move to the next step, turning that prompt into a stunning image. Open a new tab and go to any AI image generator website. There are many free options like Leonardo AI, Midjourney AI, and more. You can choose any of them. In this video, we will try both and then pick the one that works best. So first, let's try Leonardo AI. Go to Leonardo AI and you'll see an interface like this. Click this image button. First, we need to select a model. You'll see many models listed here. I'm going to choose Flux Schnell. Then, go to the aspect ratio and select 9:16. Now, go back to ChatGPT, copy any prompt, and paste it into Leonardo. Then click the Generate button. It will create your image in just a few seconds. This result isn't that great. Let's try another prompt and see how that turns out. Okay, this one's really bad. Let's try one more. Alright, now this one is something we can call average. Remember, sometimes you don't get the result you want on the first try. For that, you'll need to try again and again until you get the result you're looking for. Now let's check the results from Ideogram. You'll see a simple interface there. First, select the aspect ratio, then click on Model, and choose version 2.0. Keep the mapping option turned on. Then paste your prompt and press the Generate button. Let's see what kind of result Ideogram gives us. Wow! The results are much better compared to Leonardo. Let's try a few more prompts here and then download all the images. Sometimes, it happens that you don't get the result you want from the prompts. But don't worry, I have a solution for that too. First, go to this channel and open any video, then take a screenshot of it. After that, upload that screenshot to ChatGPT and enter this prompt. ChatGPT will generate 10 similar prompts related to that image, which you can use. Now let's try these prompts and check the result. Amazing, isn't it? Once it's ready, click on the 3 dots beside the image. There, you'll find the download option. Click it and download the image to your device. You should create and download at least 2 to 3 images like this for your video. Now, to make our video a bit longer and keep the audience engaged with suspense, we need to save the image you just downloaded. Once you've saved the image on your device, it's time for the next step. We'll now turn that image into a video using an amazing AI tool called SkyReels AI. Go to SkyReels AI, and after signing up, you'll see a simple interface. Click on the Generate Video option and upload your image. After that, it will ask you to select the aspect ratio. Once you select the ratio, paste your prompt in the given box, then choose the video duration and finally click the Generate button. In just a short while, it will convert your image into a video. Let's check out the result. Perfect. Now download the video by clicking on this download button. Generate 2 to 3 videos using the same technique, and then we will move on to the next step. Now that we have our videos, we need sound effects. For that, I'll use Pixabay. Here, you'll find plenty of sounds related to your video. Simply go to the search bar and type the related sound, for example, crane sound. Now you'll see multiple crane sounds. Choose the one you like and download it. Now we all have our videos and sound effects ready. It's time to add the sound effects to your video. For that, open CapCut. Once you're in CapCut, click on the Import button. Now import the video you downloaded earlier, and also import the sound effects you downloaded from Pixabay. Now drag the videos onto the timeline and mute their original volume. Once both are added to your timeline, then drag and add the sound effect below the video. Make sure to adjust the timing and volume of the sound effect so it matches the video perfectly. After that, you can also add transitions and effects to make your video even more engaging. I've added the links to all tools and prompts in the description below. Once everything is ready, click on this export button to export the video. And that's it for today's video. I'll see you in the next amazing tutorial if you found this helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let's take one last look at how the final video turned out.